Did you know that learning the wrong programming language could cost you months of wasted effort? Whether you're into web development, data science, or even game design, in this video, I'll break down the top languages you should learn based on your goals. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Bout, and on this channel, we talk all things tech, programming, and coding. Today, we're tackling one of the most common questions I get. Which programming language should I learn? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best language for you depends on your development path, whether you're building websites, analyzing data, or creating mobile apps. So, I'll break it down by career goals and recommend the top languages for each. Let's dive in. First up, web development. If you're building websites, you'll want to start with JavaScript. It's the backbone of modern web apps, and frameworks like React and Angular make it even more powerful. For backend development, Python is a great choice because of its simplicity and frameworks like Django and Flask. Alternatively, you can use Node.js if you want to stick with JavaScript for both front-end and back-end. So, if you're into web development, focus on JavaScript and Python. Next, mobile development. If you're building Android apps, Kotlin is the modern choice, though Java is still widely used. For iOS development, Swift is the go-to language. If you want to build cross-platform apps, Flutter, which uses Dart, and React Native, which uses JavaScript, are excellent options. So, for mobile development, learn Kotlin, Swift, or Dart. Now, let's talk about data science and machine learning. The undisputed king here is Python. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Pandas make it perfect for data analysis and AI. If you're into statistical analysis, R is another great option, though it's less versatile than Python. So, for data science, start with Python and consider R for specific use cases. If you're into game development, CNumber is a must-learn for Unity, one of the most popular game engines. For Unreal Engine, C++ is the primary language. Both engines are powerful, but if you're a beginner, start with CNumber and Unity, as it's more beginner-friendly. For system programming and high-performance applications, C and C++ are the classics. They're used in operating systems, game engines, and even embedded systems. If you want a modern alternative, Rust is gaining popularity for its safety and performance. So, for system programming, learn C, C++, or Rust. Before you go, here's a quick tip. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on one language that aligns with your goals. Build projects, and then expand your skills. Also, remember that learning the fundamentals of programming is more important than the language itself. Once you understand the basics, switching languages becomes much easier. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content.